Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Polyswarm token. Now the Polyswarm token just got listed today on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Polyswarm. So name of the token is Polyswarm. It says their ticker symbol on this announcement here is Polyswarm, but I'm not 100% sure on that yet. So this token just got listed today on a central exchange called Hotbit. Now, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Polyswarm, because they have that listed as the ticker symbol here on Hotbit, and then you would simply just buy the token. It's that easy. But the cool thing about Hotbit is that you could invest your tokens on Hotbit by putting them into 5 farm pools, lockups, stake them, there's loans, there's all sorts of different ways that you can earn high APY on a lot of different tokens on there. So check out that Hotbit referral code down there. That's where this token just got listed today. Now on Polyswarm's Twitter, which you can find at Polyswarm, it also says they are followed by CoinEx Global. So that most likely means that they're also listed on CoinEx. If you don't have a CoinEx account, that's also another great exchange. And I do have a referral code for CoinEx down there in the description box as well. I find CoinEx has amazingly low fees on there. So does Hotbit as well. But yeah, CoinEx is another great exchange too. If you don't have a CoinEx account, check out that referral code as well. Now it says a threat intelligence and detection community helping security teams detect new and emerging malware. So that's what their project is all about. Now their Twitter's doing very well. They have 10,200 Twitter followers already. So they're doing pretty well on here. Now if you go to their official webpage, polyswarm.network, they have different sections on here like scanning, because like I said, this is for malware. So you can scan for malware. There's a section that says search, hunt, engines, pricing, marketplace stats. You can log in or sign up on the page. You can scan files or URLs for threats. It says select file and drag and drop. So you can do that right on their webpage here. It's at the very top of their webpage. And yeah, so you scan URLs or search for file hash or metadata. And then you can look at the marketplace stats, emerging threats. They have all sorts of different info on here. Scan results you could check out. Now at the bottom of the page is where you can find all the information on their webpage. They have a company section, how it works, privacy policy, terms of service, engine, agreement, accessibility, status, and then documents. So that's where you want to find all the information is on their document section there. You can also change the language on their page to all sorts of different languages. So you start with the login or sign up. It says click on the login or sign up button in the upper right hand corner to both log in or sign up. After clicking that button, the authentication window has 2 tabs on the top. Click the login tab to log in, and click the sign up tab to sign up for a new user account. Some functionality of the Polyswarm UI is available without being logged in, but that functionality is limited. So if you want to have the full potential of checking for malware and all that type of stuff, you want to be able to, you want to create an account and then log in. To unlock additional functionality with higher usage limits, you need to create a user account. So it shows you how to sign up. You can do all that type of stuff on here. There's a context menu next if you want to check that out. Once logged in the upper right hand corner, tells you what to do from there. All actions in the Polyswarm UI operate in the account context of the active user account or team account. Then they have all sorts of different tabs on here about command lines, API library, webhooks, so general, creating, deleting, testing. They have different wallets like general wallets, rewards wallets, engine wallets. Learn about how to get rewards in general. So the rewards tab available in the user account is where rewards are viewed and redeemed. Users must enable two-factor authentication to access the rewards tab content. So they show you how to do that on there. Now they have for user account section here, all new user accounts have the free community subscription plan active. So I'm guessing that means you could pay for additional features as well. This allows all users to enjoy the base functionality of the platform for free. Once you have created a user account, you have the option to select a paid subscription plan. View the pricing page to see the list of available plans and the features in each plan. When using the Polyswarm UI, your account context determines the account used to control your access account for your usage and specifies your limits. When using the Polyswarm CLI or API, your API key determines the account used to control your access, account for your usage, and specifies your limits. Now in the account settings, it says in the context menu in the upper right-hand corner, choose the settings option to access the account settings for the active account context. Then advanced, there's the advanced tab, which provides access to functionality that is less often accessed. Then they have secure authentication. Enabling secure authentication is highly recommended, especially when an email address and password are used to log in. This will turn on two-factor authentication using the authentication tab. So then they go over API keys. Then there's billings, of course. You can have your own plan, your own profile where you have your username, your company, your password, your email, all that type of stuff. Then there's wallet documentation if you want to read all about that. So it shows you how to scan a file. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Even just the drag and drop or inserting the URL and that type of stuff. And then, of course, this token here is the utility token, is the maybe governance token here. I don't see where it says the exact details on everything that the token does, but most likely this is the utility token that you would use also within this ecosystem of searching for malware and all that type of stuff. But yeah, check this all out. Super interesting. Polyswarm.network. Definitely not a meme coin. Definitely has some cool utility, this project here. And they just got listed today on Hotbit, and they most likely are also listed on CoinEx because they're followed by CoinEx on Twitter. Crowdsource threat detection. Check it all out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.